Oh, what's up, everybody? Man, it is good to be back. Excuse me, let me clear my throat. I am happy to be here. It has been way too long. I have not been streaming enough content. Been very busy with the holidays and building up my business. As you all know, I'm a freelance web developer slash small agency owner, more freelancer though, if I'm really being honest with myself. What's good, everybody? It's great to have you here. Thanks for watching this video. So let's get started. Tonight we are going to make a website with a moving background, a video background, and as typical with me, I use a framework called Themify, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Are you excited? I'm pretty excited. Okay, let's get going. So I'm going to drag in this new window here. We got our momentum dash up, and I'm just going to show you where to go. So right now I'm going to themify.com. The actual theme we're going to be using is this one right here, Ultra. You can see I'm kind of moving my mouse over it. You don't have to use this. You can actually go over here to plugins and go down to Builder, and there's a free version because the Ultra theme that I'm using is actually paid. It costs about 30 bucks and it's well worth it, but you can use the Builder with your current theme, or a free option. There's a few free themes somewhere around here. I don't know. All themes, and then if you go down to like the very bottom or something, there are some free ones around here somewhere. I'll put them in the name of the free themes in the description. Okay, well anyway, now that we got that sorted out, we're gonna go to a WordPress site. I'm gonna use my main site, Techie Design. I'm assuming you're a smidgen familiar with WordPress, but what I would do is you're gonna go into your WordPress dashboard. This is one way to do it. If you need help logging in, let me know. And we're gonna create a new page. Add new. And from here, we're just going to write a YouTube tutorial page. And okay, so we're going to put the widget down here. This is called the Themify Builder. So it's not in the main content. When you use Themify, you got to go down to the builder here. And in the builder, you will pull down I'm going to go ahead and I like it this kind of ensures a more centered content. If you go down to this, what's going on here is we're actually looking at different column layouts. And I generally will go to this one here that I selected, and then this middle column alignment it'll create a vertical center. So it'll be centered vertically. Okay, so now we're going to add in this, and you can edit this just like you would this area here. So this basically is identical to here, except it goes into that column that I just added. So I'm going to hit header, and I'm going to type in Techie Design, and then I'm going to put a subheading, the best YouTuber ever. That's kind of cool, EVR. It's more fun. And then maybe like an emoji. Maybe 2 emojis. Themify automatically converts your emojis to actual, emojis, by the way. It converts your emoticons into emojis. Okay, so now we entered that. That's good. Just go ahead and save that. Actually, you know what? I'm going to center it. I decided. Let's go ahead and center this. So just typical WordPress, the same way it works with WordPress typically. And then there's these little pins up here. Now I want you to be careful. don't hit edit here. You gotta hit edit here. And let's make this full width, full height, styling. We're gonna make it a background video. So we go to background type and we click video here. Okay, I need a video. Okay, well they're not hard to find. Let's just go hit Vimeo background video. Okay. Let's see what we found. Oh no, this is some BS. Skip that guy. Here, blue abstract free looping background. Perfect. Okay, so we got this video here. Let's play it. Oh, that's gonna be cool. That's gonna be real cool, man. Okay, so you saw what I did. I just copied or cut that address, whichever one you want to do, and I paste that right here. Bam! You saw that? I pasted that crap. Freaking awesome. Okay, now from here, I'm gonna disable audio just in case there's audio. To be honest, it doesn't actually work for Vimeo to disable the audio because they're not technically MP4. However, with YouTube, if you use a YouTube background, disable audio will work. So it really should just say for YouTube, but you know, whatever. You can figure that out on your own. Okay, now this is all working. Everything looks good. Now I kind of like using an overlay, especially for non-hover. So that's this one right here. I'm going to use a gradient overlay, and I'm going to do a radial overlay, and I just want you to kind of see the difference between the two. This one, let's make that a bit lighter. That's a little bit too dark. E is a good letter. There you go. So there is some color there. Now you control the opacity on this little thing on the right here. You want to turn down the opacity if you use a white. And then for the overlay hover, let's add a little bit of color and be a little bit more fun. And I'll make that a gradient with a color. So we're going to make it, let's go blue and make it, you know, not as deep. I'm only using hex keys. Is that what's going on? Actually, if you have a hard time getting it to work, you can actually enter the hex code manually. I fortunately have memorized a few from back in the 90s. Oh wait, that's opacity. Okay. This hex code here. Okay, so that'll be kind of a little bit more interesting. We're going to have a little bit of a colored overlay when I actually mouse over the image. And you'll see how this kind of works. Let's go ahead and save that. And the third thing we need to do is we need to adjust the page options to make sure they line up with what we want. What I'm going for is a full background that covers the entire page, so I got to go no sidebar here. And I want to make sure that we have no width, and I want to hide the page title, because the page title will make it so that the video doesn't go all the way to the top because the title will block it. Custom menu, you can not worry about that. All that is if you want to use a different menu, you know, like menu as in over here menu. Builder section scrolling, that's kind of a thing, you know, I don't really want to get too into that, but it kind of makes the experience more like a mobile device. Okay, let's go ahead and publish that. I'm going to show you what that looks like, and you can start getting an idea of like what we're doing here. Oh, that was great. That worked quickly. Despite usually when I'm streaming, that thing goes freaking slow. It's pretty annoying. Okay, so oh, look at this. It didn't work like at all. Okay, so what did I do wrong? Let's troubleshoot here. Fail. Oh shoot. Somehow I erased what I did. That's a bummer. Okay, well, I guess I'll just do it again. Okay, nail it into your memory. Again, okay, we go up here to the columns. Let's do that, and then we're going to vertically align it. We're going to go drop our text box in there, and then we're going to say, I don't remember what dumb thing I said. I'm going to say Techie Design is the best YouTube channel ever. And then we'll do some dumb emoticons that become emojis. Okay, and then we'll enter that. All right, now let me go ahead and save that. It's vertically aligned. We got to go ahead and do the same options. Full width, full height, styling, background image. I don't know what broke it. That's kind of flipping me out. Sometimes these little things happen. I'm thinking the page must have somehow reloaded. Where the hell is that music coming from? Oh, it's this Vimeo video. Okay. Can't have that. Let's okay, well anyway, let's get this video and we put it in there. Background, I'm gonna do full cover, and let's redo these gradients here. Kind of do it quickly because I know you're probably chomping at the bit. Like once you enter the hex, it messes the whole thing up. Well, anyway, this is kind of a glitch. Sorry about that, but yeah, it shouldn't be that unruly. Okay, and this one. Oh, I see. That's why it's gray, because you have to have 100%. Oh no. Right. Well, anyway, you get the idea. Let me add some more color here. And for this one, we'll just lower that, and this just lower that too. Save that. And just for shoots and giggles, I'm going to add a little bit more text here, just to kind of show you what it would look like in the context of an actual site. I need some filler text. Or Ipsum! Let's just grab this. Where is it? Grab this guy right here. Grab that guy. Drop it in there. Be two of them. Save that crap. Duplicate it. Okay. So, hopefully it doesn't glitch out this time. I just hit the update button. We're going to see what our new page looks like. Hey, look at that. Works. Unfortunately, the video is not loading, however. And somehow the title stayed in there. I told it to take it out. Oh, that question is asking hide page title. Okay, so the video is clearly not working. So let's figure out what the hell is going on here. How embarrassing. Themify builder. Did I make the opacity of the background too intense? This is all fine and dandy. Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Ooh, it's the... Oh, I see. I didn't click video. Well, good thing I still have this here. There we go. Okay. Now it should work beautifully. Look at that. Look at that. So pro, and look at this fun mouse over effect. Whoa, you mouse over and it adds color. Whoa, what a trip. Super interactive. Now, I'm a little bit of a completionist, so it really bothers me that this is not a little bit further down, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that. I might as well just tell you what I'm doing. But I just go into here and, well, one thing we could do is we could make it a full height, which would center the content in the div. I'm going to go ahead and center the content vertically. And then I'm going to add a little bit of a space. Let's just call it a day and get out of here. So I'm just going to throw a divider at the top of both of these. It'll look a little bit more ghetto, but whatever. It'll be fine. Okay, so that pretty much wraps out my video. Go ahead and shoot me some likes and please subscribe. I'm going to put the link to everything relevant in this tutorial into the, check it out, looks better, into the description. So go ahead and check those out. I basically want to do more tutorials, so please, if you guys have any questions about Themify or web development in general or web design, please ask them in the comments or message me through one of my social media channels or through my website. I am going to want to make a lot of content coming up here. I'm kind of at the point now where I can do it, so I just need you guys to ask me questions. So just please ask me how to do stuff, and I would just love to answer what you do. Oh yeah, by the way, this was Lihue Andy who I believe asked me how to do this. So Lihue Andy, this video was for you. I'll see you guys later. I love you all. Aloha. Bye bye.